This scalping strategy is going to make you filthy rich, and it has been backtested so you can be confident that it works. So the first thing you need to know, what is scalping when it comes to Forex trading? Scalping is the idea of getting into a trade and then get out very fast. So now that you know what scalping is, let me show you this strategy that works so well and it has a very high win rate. So the rules of this strategy is very simple. Number one, we are going to wait for the momentum candle on the 1 hour time frame. Number two, we are going to wait for price to retest the dynamic support or resistance on the 1 minute time frame. Number three, entry can be done through style number one or style number two. Number four, stop loss is going to be under the structure, wherever that is. Number five, we're going to have a take profit of a ratio 1 to 1. So what does that mean? So 1 to 1 is basically 1 time your risk. So if you're risking, let's say you're risking here $50, then when it hits your take profit, so price moves in your direction, you're going to make $50 profit. As simple as that. That's what it means, a 1 to 1. Number six, there's going to be no trades whatsoever. Very important, when daily candle is about to close. This is because there's going to be high spreads and most likely it's going to take you out. Number seven, you're going to trade in the direction of the momentum. So if the candle is saying buy, you're just going to buy, no sells, okay? If the momentum candle is sells, you just sell. That's it. So now go to trading view, which looks something like this. You're going to go to this tab that says indicators, and we are going to search for something called MA, which stands for moving average. This one. Add it to the chart, it will look something like this. Go to the settings, click on this little icon that says settings. You're going to keep the length 50, go to style, make sure MA is marked, not the smoothing line, because you can see it's a bit different, and just add it to the chart. Now, when you're using any indicator whatsoever, you need to know what does this indicator do, what is the logic behind it. So what is a moving average? A moving average ribbon is a series of moving averages of different lengths plotted on the same chart to show support and resistance levels as well as trends. So basically, a moving average is going to show you where the support is and where is the resistance, and it keeps moving as price moves. So it's dynamic, it's not static, okay? All right, so once you add it, what we are looking for is something called momentum candle. So this candle alone is bigger than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 previous candles. This is known as momentum. So price is really kicking in and it closed above it. It's not just the wick of the candle that closed. Look at that. The candle closed over here. So look, it's above all of these, okay? Let me show you an example where it is not a momentum candle. So this is not a momentum candle because price closed above only one candle. That's it. So there's not much momentum in the price. Now, once you have price closing like this is when you would jump to the 1 minute time frame, which is over here, 1M. Okay, and what we are looking for basically is price to retest this dynamic support, because we're looking for a buy, not sell, because price is upwards, okay, to buy. So retest of this support to buy. And then second approach is if price closes under the moving average, so somewhere here, then it goes back and closes back in the area, then we look for buys. Let me show you how it looks on the chart. So that here is entry style number one. As you can see, price came, retested that support, and then went out. Again, retest, and it won. This is entry style number one. This over here is entry style number two. Why? Because price closed below this moving average and then it came back, closed above it, and then it moved higher up. So we are going to use these two different approaches. Okay, now what you can do is go to indicators. Oh, the replay mode doesn't show it. So because I'm using the replay function, you can't really click on indicators, but if you use live market, you can click on indicators and get an alert whenever price is retesting this moving average. Otherwise, it's pointless to sit in front of the chart because it might take a while. So all of this, you do nothing. Okay, let me speed it up. All of this, we do nothing. You're waiting for that retest of the dynamic support, which is the 50 moving average. Here, price is retesting, but now what we need, similar to the 1 hour time frame, we need a very strong bullish closure, a momentum candle. Okay, nice candle closure, but it's not really a momentum candle. This one, boom, it closed above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle. So what you do, you would buy here. Stop loss just underneath this structure, and we are going to go for a 1-to-1. So our stop loss is 6.9 pips. So take profit is going to be 6.9 pips. And then you let the market do its thing, and you're following the momentum. Okay, there, nice winner. And then you do the same thing again. Continue doing the same thing again. Price came, retested that support, wait for a nice bullish candle like that, go for a 1-to-1, boom. Okay, now you do the same thing again. Here, price closed under the structure, so we are going to wait for price to close back above the moving average, which it did here. So you would buy here, stop loss underneath this structure that you entered from. In this case, the stop loss is 10.3 pips, so you're going to put your thing 10.3 pips as well as your take profit, and you let price do its thing. Okay, again, a nice beautiful winner. We keep doing this until we have a shift in direction. Okay, again, nice retest, price is coming. Let's see, boom, look at that closure. Okay, here it wicked, so no, wait, now that's a good one. Again, where did the retest start? From here. What do? You go for a 1-to-1, 5.5 pips stop loss for this, and you let price do its thing. Nice winner. Okay, now same thing. This is on repeat mode. Okay, price closed under but closed above, so you would enter here. Okay, like that. And here's the stop loss, and that's totally fine. This is not 100% win rate. Okay, same thing. You wait for price to do its thing. Now price closed above here. Again, you would enter a buy. Look at the time. Time is 8:20. Okay, it's fine. Again, nice profit. Okay, we're closed under. Okay, nice closure, beautiful closure, right? You would enter over here, and you would put your stop loss where the structure is the lowest. Okay, 130, so that's 13 pips. Beautiful, right? So why is this a loss? It is a loss because look at the time, it's 21:57, so it's almost 10 p.m. As per rule number 6, it says don't enter any position if it's very close to the daily candle closing. So yeah, no trades here. You wait for the spreads to get normal, and then you continue. And yeah guys, it's very simple. So this should not be a loss. If you did a buy here, you need to go and practice your things again. Here, price closed, but again, look at the time, 10:36, not good. So we wait for price to come. It come under, then it closed back above. So you could have done a buy here like this. Okay, something like this, and then you let price do its thing. Now here is one of them trades that it's taken quite a while to play out. Look, it's 1st of October, and look, it's taken a while. So this is when price is telling you that, you know, maybe there's a shift coming in direction, because it's taken a while to play out. And if we look, price is starting to range around here. So this is when you would stop. You know, you had a lot of winners. Don't be greedy. Let's see how this plays out, because we're in a trade, so we might as well hold it. So eventually I hit the target, but this is not scalping because it takes too long. Okay, it's been several hours or maybe days. So yeah, and at the same time, because of this entry, you missed a buy entry around here, around here, around here. So many other opportunities was missed because of this one trade. So yeah, sometimes price does that. But yeah, you had a very nice run. So 1 hour here, 1 hour here, 1 hour here, 3, 4, 5, 6, and only one loss. You see how effective this is? Just follow the momentum. Look at that. So if we go back to the 1 hour, we can see that this was the momentum candle. Look, we've taken advantage of all of this move to the upside, which is over 100 pips, scalping it throughout. This is a very beautiful technique. It works. It's gonna make you very rich as long as you apply it correctly. So yeah guys, go ahead, test that. Let me see what kind of results you get. Let me know in the comment section, you know, as always, how this strategy is gonna perform for you. And I will see you guys next time. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Peace.